This Etsy shop has made almost $200,000 in profit just selling mousepads. And in this video, I'm going to show the step-by-step breakdown on how to take advantage of this little-known niche and get crazy results for yourself using just free AI tools. So I came across this store, and then this one here too, which made over $50,000. I couldn't believe this when I saw it, so I went ahead and did some research to find out what the heck is happening here, and how I can make money like this too. After doing research, I saw just how much potential the mousepad niche has. There's not that much competition, and it's specific enough for you to dominate this area. So with that being said, let's talk about the actual process to start your Etsy business within this niche. Again, we're going to use only free AI tools to do it. I'll show you how to come up with viral mousepad designs, how to make sales without worrying about the packaging and shipping, and how to make your listings appear first in search results. The first thing you need to do is sign up for a free account with Leonardo AI using the link I've put in the description, because this is what's going to make you money for free. Once you've done that, let's talk about some important things to note. To start off, we need to understand what makes a mousepad business successful. It's all about learning from the best, seeing what other top sellers are doing, and figuring out how to do it even better. After looking at different popular stores, I've noticed that the best-selling mousepads usually fit into a few categories. Custom personalized pads, designs tailored to specific passions or professions like gaming, teaching, or nursing, and really artistic high-quality designs. This is great to have in mind because now you can think of a sub-niche. To sell well, you need to know who you're selling to. Think about the people who are most likely to buy mousepads. Obviously those who spend a lot of time at their computers. We're talking about gamers, video editors, content creators, and so on. Knowing your audience is what will make your mousepad business a hit. Now, let me show you how to create these mousepads using free tools. The first one is the easiest to create, and for that, we're using Leonardo AI. You should have an account already by now, but if you don't, you can just sign up for it for free now. Leonardo AI is basically a completely free AI image generator, and it's pretty much the best out there right now. Once you've signed up and logged in, click on Create a New Image, and you'll be presented with their interface, which is super easy to use. You can come up with prompts yourself, or visit this website called Prompt Hero and search for floral patterns. There you can find one you like, for example, this one. Click on it, and on the right side, you'll find the actual prompt. Copy it and paste it over to the Leonardo AI. On the left, change the aspect ratio to 16:9 and turn on the tiling option. For the model, we're going to use Leonardo Diffusion XL, which gives out the best results. You can see the two designs it came out with. Click here to download it and save it to your computer. Another option is to go to Midjourney, which is a paid AI generator, but pretty much the same as Leonardo AI. When you join their Discord Midjourney server, pick a newbie channel or create your own server. Type in Imagine and paste the exact same prompt. At the end of the sentence, add 16.9. This will give you 4 different designs that you can choose from and upscale. To download the image from Midjourney, click on it, view it in the browser, and then save it to your device. Another pretty popular type of mousepads is custom pads. You can see that this custom dog mousepad is selling like crazy, and from the reviews below, I can see that people absolutely love it. This type is not only personalized and unique, but also connects with people's passion and affection for pets. We don't want to straight up steal the idea, but maybe we can do a completely unique thing, like transforming pet photos into cartoon versions and turning them into mousepads. To do that, we need a picture of a dog. To find a free dog picture, go to pexels.com. Select photos from the search box and type in Golden Retriever. I'll pick this one and download it. To cartoonize it, go to Discord, upload the picture into the chat. After your photo has uploaded, you'll notice a thumbnail of the image in the channel. Click on this thumbnail and the image will enlarge. Beneath this larger pop-up image, there's an option that reads Open in Browser. Click this link and a new browser window will open, displaying your image. In this new browser window, carefully select and copy the full URL from the address bar. This URL is what Midjourney will use to reference your photo. Then, go ahead and type in Imagine and paste the link to the image followed by cartoon-style high-quality animal portrait, or 16:9. This is the final design I got from Midjourney, which is amazing. Now for the final design, we'll actually be creating AI-generated artwork using Fusion Art AI. Click on Generate Free now and create a completely free account on this platform. Deactivate the fill container option and pick 16:9 aspect ratio, setting the weight to 0. Now let's say we're making a design for gamers and type in this prompt on the screen here. Strong and tall. Samurai with sword and samurai helmet standing between high mountains, touching clouds at sunset, back pose, orange sky, pink trees, sharp focus, highly detailed cinematic lighting, studio quality, smooth render, Unreal Engine 5 rendered, Octane rendered. Click on Generate and wait a couple of seconds. You should get something like this. You can do this for a lot of different niches. Now, all of these designs that were generated by AI are usually pretty low resolution. To fix this, we're going to upscale them to 4K with upscale media. Once you're on the website, just drag the image here and pick 4K from the drop-down menu to increase the resolution. Download the final file, and you're ready for the next step in this process. Alright, so we've got our awesome mousepad designs ready to go. Now, let's talk about the next step, fulfillment. Here's the great part, we won't be dealing with the hassle of handling this ourselves. What we'll do instead is use Printify. So the first thing you need to do is head on over to Printify and connect your Etsy store. This is super important because it lets you tap into the automatic fulfillment feature, making your life a whole lot easier. Once you've got your Etsy account linked up with Printify, just search for mousepad on Printify. I personally think it's a good idea to add all the different types of mousepads they offer. This way, you're giving your customers plenty of choices, plus it's super easy to do. Once you find the mousepads, start uploading those cool designs we made in Leonardo, Midjourney, and Fusion Art. Make sure everything looks just right by using the fill to placeholder option. Hit preview, and you should see your designs looking something like this. Now that we've finished the design and fulfillment, we need to make our product stand out on Etsy. We need to boost our search rankings. Here's how. Start by searching for a similar mousepad listing on Etsy. Look for one that's doing well organically without any ads. Click on it and take a good look at the title, especially the first 4 words. Those are key. After you've checked out a few examples and seen what's working for them, go back to your own listing. Use what you've learned to tweak your title with similar keywords. And do the same for the tags in your description. Your listing is all set and ready to go. You can do this same sort of process for any print-on-demand item in any niche. So I definitely recommend experimenting and seeing what works best for you. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, I'd appreciate if you like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.